massive ene.
Daar die kop hoor.
Ja.
Daar gaat die kop af, daar gaat die kop af.
Dat is een Rinkhals.
Daar gaat die.
Alright guys, and there we go, another snake haul. So the people said that it is a Rinkhals in somebody's home, so let's see if I can go catch the snake. See you there guys. We are close to the house where the snake is. I'm sitting here with Glenn. He is the owner of the house. They are telling me that it is a meter-long Rinkhals. They have 2 dogs, so we're gonna keep the dogs away from the snake. Okay guys, so we just arrived at the home. They said that the Rinkhals is here in the house, so yeah, let's see if we can catch the snake. Okay.
So, go in again. And what happened is,
Yeah.
I went in,
Okay.
and when I came out,
Yes.
I saw this black thing. I think it went into one of these holes at the back.
Okay.
Yeah, but the can you remove this thing here?
Yeah.
Isa. Ik hier wel reageren. Als.
Oh, I hear it. I hear it. It's
Huh?
in here.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, quorum. So the snake is definitely in here. I just heard him. So let's hope there's no place that the snake can escape.
Kun je hem zien?
Ja.
Hè?
Ja. Sien hom goed, sy kop. Kyk hier. Okay, so guys, the snake's head is at that hole right there where the light's shining on. So I see its body from the other hole. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get a straight stick and then I'm going to irritate its back so that it would get its head out and hopefully go straight into the tube. But yeah, we'll see what happens. Come back.
Ja.
Oh yes, there's the. You see the tail?
I could see the tail, yeah.
Is there any holes at the back or somewhere it can come out?
That's where that's where it got in.
Okay. Just shout to me when you see it coming out in any hole.
Yeah.
Ja, hier op. Wat?
Yep, that is a big snake. There is the head of the snake, guys. So ideal would be if we can get this snake to come out from this hole.
Yeah.
And then we're going to put the snake tube here in front of this hole where its head is. Alright guys, and so I find myself up the roof. I'm looking through this chimney, but I can't see the snake, so I guess this is one of those sad situations where we don't find the snake and I can't catch it. Okay guys, so the snake still is in this oven, can you believe it? So it's lying down there, you can't see it right now, but we're gonna catch the snake now. Yo, we struggled with this snake guys, so let's catch it. Ja, daar kom hij. Yes, dit is een massive ene.
Daar is die kop hoor.
Ja,
Daar gaat die kop af, daar gaat die kop af.
Dat is een Rinkhals.
Rinkhals. Ja, daar kom hij.
Daar kom hij. Ik kan hem zien. Klein.
Is oké, los maar die net, ek sal vang met die stok. Here it comes out. Los maar die net, Is oké, ek het hom. Hey, spoeg, hij spoeg, oppassen, hij spoeg. Spoeg. Oké. Ja, gaat hij weer.
Daar zit onder. Daar gaat hij.
Kijk.
Hey, kom weer. Weg.
Weg. Krijg je de honden weg, alsjeblieft?
Daar zit die potten.
And there we go, guys. Snake in the tube. Really a shout out for Glenn and Derek hier. Jullie kan ik helemaal afnemen.
Weet wel, ik zie dat je die hele gebreed krijgt.
Ja, dank
jullie.
jullie.
Mission impossible. Maar dat is een mission complete.
Dat is right, dank jullie. So okay guys, so yeah, there we have the snake in the tube. I think my camera went off while I was catching the snake because yeah, it's low battery. But yeah, I have the snake and I will see you when I release the snake. Bye guys. Oh. Look at this snake hooding. Extremely big snake. And it is spitting me. But I'm going to keep the snake for a night and then I am going to release the snake. But yes, this is a unit of a Rinkhals. Oh, it's really good.
Yep.
Take it by its tail and hook it near its head, but not too close to its head, and then let it see the dark hole and let it find its own way inside. And snake under control.
Die ding spoeg of hy slaat die binne.
Is it?
Ja.
And here is our Rinkhals. Oh, coming out. Alright guys, so whenever you see a snake like this, I would recommend you to just stay away from it, keep your distance and call your nearest snake handler to come remove the snake whenever the snake is maybe in your home or anywhere near you. Never try and kill the snake, it can be dangerous, and never try doing what I am doing right now. So this isn't even the maximum size of a Rinkhals. A Rinkhals can get around 1.5 meters in length. But as you can see, it is a beauty of a snake. There we have our snake playing dead. As you can see, opening its mouth, turning around its head. It just wants us to leave him alone. Classic Rinkhals playing dead.
Ja.
Alright guys, so let's release the snake. Alright, oh, sorry. Alright guys, so the snake kept playing dead. So it really made it hard for me to actually film a release video.
Guys, this is such a drama queen. Look at this guy. He will literally slide off the rock to prove that he's dead.